Here we are at the house inside the Arbors. Got a lot of property before you reach the next home. It's a large corner property. Just gonna show you the neighbors, all nice neighbors here. Lovely homes. You have tree-lined streets with sidewalks and street lights. The property has, as you can see, a lot of lush landscaping the whole way around. This is the walk from the driveway. You have a little porch area out front and etched glass doors. Inside the living room, you've got wood flooring, got some nice detailing on the walls, plantation shutters, the den opening, French doors up front here, and you have more plantation shutters. Walking here to the family room. And you've got a faux fireplace, some bookshelves, some storage. That all looks out to the Florida room and pool. Got a beautiful breakfast area that looks out to the pool. Nice place if you want to sit and look out. Kitchen area. I'm going to go into the master bedroom first. You have beautiful tray ceiling, bay window with a window seat, and there's storage under that. Going into the master bath. Got two closets, a walk-in closet on this side. Double sinks, big tub with some glass block on the side, large shower, nice size room. Walking over here to the kitchen, you've got a mixture of GE and KitchenAid appliances. Beautiful granite. Lovely color on that. Large sink. Got some drawers in the kitchen cabinets, wood. A couple of glass door fronts. Those are nice to have. Good size pantry. Plenty of room for everything. Off to the right here is your laundry area. Extra storage cabinets and a laundry tub. You really have a view of everything from the kitchen area. The family room, the pool, Florida room. Keeps you connected with everybody. And this is, I think, my favorite room of the house. It's just lovely. It looks out to the pool, and it's a nice room. Going out to the pool. A heated pool spa. You've also got the holes there if you want to put up a child fence. Just going to show you the back of the home from here because you've got the hurricane shutters. You've got a mixture of accordion shutters and the an automatic shutter that comes down over the front door. There's just a couple of panel windows that can't be covered any other way. The side yard here and the backyard is really nice and private, and no one lives right directly behind you. There's quite a bit of space in between the home. Coming back inside, we'll finish up in the guest bedrooms. What I like about the guest bedrooms is they all have the high ceilings. It's a vaulted ceiling, wood floor in this one. And when you look out the side windows, you don't see another house. Lots of room and privacy here. I really like that. Same thing in the guest bathroom. And another good size guest bedroom that has French doors going out to the Florida room and pool. So you can see that this is a really nice place to live, and just such a nice place to live the Florida lifestyle.